VBS. We've called you here today to talk about our next VBS program. We've cooked up a lot of VBS programs over the years. The ocean theme was my favorite. Personally, I love the wilderness adventure.
Space was my favorite. It was out of this world.
Those were amazing, made from the heart. But this year we're hungry for something new, something fresh. So, what are you serving up?
We think we've got something. Feast your eyes on this.
Come on!
I got a feeling, something like a hunger for your love. Serving up a heartbeat for you, Jesus. And I can't get enough. I can't get enough.
Come on!
I got a feeling, like a hunger for your love. Serving up a heartbeat for you, Jesus. And I can't get enough.
So, what do you think?
Well done.
I love my job.